And today I'm going to show you how I cut my soap. I'm the owner and creator of Vermont Lavender. My name is Diane, and thank you so much for joining me today. This is a basil herb soap. It's a big block, and I use the shoebox method. I'm going to use some dental floss. So I'm going to cut it right down. I'll show you here. It's pretty heavy. Okay, let's see if this works. And if you enjoyed this video, the next video to watch is, I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.